Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to set an alarm in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First, click on Start, type here alarm. After click on alarms and clock. That is. Firstly, click on slash toggle on position. Here, set minute. Here, minute. Here, PM, RM, alarm now. Set day. And send sound. Snooze time 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to set an alarm in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.